Hey everyone, Adam here from the Glofox team and welcome back to another training video. Today we are going to be taking a look at setting up recurring memberships on Glofox. The first thing to note is that you do need to have set up your Glofox payments account before you can set up recurring memberships. If you have not yet done this, of course we do have a video that goes through that. So first off, we need to navigate to the Manage tab and then click on Memberships. And for today, we're going to be setting up a brand new one. So let's click on the Add button. For the purposes of today's example, we are going to be setting up an unlimited membership. So we've got to put in our name, and then we will also put in our description as well. Hopefully you guys will do a little bit more on the description. And then next we need to jump over to the plan section. So in terms of plans, what you can do on Glofox is you can have multiple plans associated with any membership type. So for today, let's say, for example, I have two different contract types. So I can click on the plus icon a couple of times to add two different plans, and then I'm going to name my plans accordingly. So I'm going to say for the purposes of today's video that I have a 3-month and a 12-month contract. So I'm going to name my plans accordingly. Next, it's going to ask us for the type of membership. So we've got a membership and we've got a service credits pack. So a service credits pack would only really be used in the case of a class pack on Glofox, whereas a membership is used for anything where it is recurring or anything that offers unlimited classes. So of course, we're going to stick with membership for today. And next, it's going to ask us for the frequency. So of course, we're going to choose recurring in both cases. And next, we do have the end date option. So with Glofox, if you want to add a contract onto a membership, the subscription has end date option is for just that. So in my case, of course, it is 3 months, so I want to switch that on. So for example, let's say my membership is going to be $100 per month for 3 months, and if you commit to 12 months, I'm going to give it to you for $80. So we're going to switch on subscription has end date for both. So now you can see it reads $100 every 1 month period, which means that 1 month, of course, is defined as one period. So with that in mind, for my 3 month, I want to pop in the number 3 here because if one period is 1 month, then I want it to be valid for 3 months. And you can see that it reaffirms that here, says contract will be valid for 3 months. So we know we're on the right track. Of course, you guys can fiddle around with the periods. If you do want it to be weekly payments, fortnightly or bi-weekly payments, of course, you can do that on Glofox as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pop in my contract as well here. So I'm going to say 12 months. So that's perfect. Next, then you've got the option for auto renew contract. So what this means is if somebody gets to the end of their 3 months, their first 3 months, do you want the membership to automatically renew again into another 3-month period, or do you want it to end automatically? So the way it's set at the moment, it is disabled, which means that after my first 3 months as a member, I will need to sign back up manually for this membership. With Tough Mudder Bootcamp, the majority of cases, people do not want that. So we normally would switch that on, but of course, that's completely up to you. So I'm going to switch it on for mine. Next, we do have a joining fee option as well. So if you do want to have a one-off joining fee at the start, so when you initially sign up, you can pop that in there, just like that. Which would mean that in this case, somebody was charged $150 the first time they sign up and then $100 every month thereafter. And then we've got the services with our plan. So of course, this one is an unlimited membership, so I'm going to leave it at unlimited services, but just to show you guys the other option, which is restricted services. So I have seen with a lot of Tough Mudder Bootcamp studios, some of them offer, for example, 8 classes per month. So what you can do is click restricted and then just reduce that number to 8, which will give somebody 8 classes every month. So of course, that puts a cap on how many they can book. So that's the difference between those two. For, of course, my example here, I'm going to stick with unlimited services. So that is pretty much it for that. The last option that we haven't touched on yet is under the advanced settings. So if I click on that, we have this option for charge on the 1st of every month. So the way this is set at the moment, when this is disabled, it simply takes the anniversary date for billing your clients. So for example, if I sign up on the 10th of August, I'm going to be charged on the 10th of every month going forward when this is switched off. So I'm going to be charged the full $100 when I sign up and then charge $100 again on the 10th of each month. However, if we switch this on, what the system does is it prorates automatically based on when you sign up. So let's say if you sign up halfway through the month, you're going to be charged $50. It's going to automatically prorate 50%. And then you're going to be charged the full $100 at the very beginning on the first day of the next month. And then you'll be charged on the first of each month going forward. So it is a very handy setting if you do want to keep all of your payments coming out on the same day every month on the first of each month. If you switch it off, as I said, it'll just stick to anniversary billing. And that is pretty much it for recurring memberships. I'm going to go ahead and save that in, and we can see now we do have our unlimited membership with 3 and 12-month options set up there. Hopefully that was helpful, guys, but if you do have any questions at all, please reach out to your onboarding manager if you're just getting set up, or our support team on support@glofox.com. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully see you guys in the next one.